Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're sitting in the beautiful BRZ. Today we have our first question, which I really wanted to address, and I really wanted to go in depth with a little bit. So we're here today. It's freaking hot outside. It's super windy right now, and I want to pull down the windows badly, but I think I'm going to save it just so this video is crisp. And we're going to talk about this question. So the question comes in from Will Bates. He says, I'm debating between the automatic and the manual for the car. I'll be driving it in Austin, Texas, and worried I won't like it for the daily commute as a manual. All the reviews say it's the only way to go for this car, and if you want an auto, look at other cars. What do you think of automatic? Does it still feel fast and athletic? Well, okay, so here's my take on the whole manual and automatic scenario, because a lot of people have different opinions on this. It's an amazing question because I do see a lot of reviews and everyone's like, yeah, you know, the only way to go is manual because automatic just doesn't feel good. I don't agree with that at all. And again, depends on which vehicle you come from or who you are as a driver. As an automatic, I think this car still feels really good. It's really fast compared to the cars I've owned. And that has to do with the weight. This car weighs way less than the other cars that I've owned. I think, what is this, 2,800 pounds? That's literally nothing compared to the 370Z, which was 3,400 pounds, I believe. That's insane. The amount of weight reduction in this car is just, it's amazing. And you will feel that 230 horsepower, trust me. I must say, it's extremely irritating to drive a manual when the streets are crowded. Clear answer is, man, like, auto, I think it's worth it. I think it's still fast. I think you can still feel the fun in the car, and I highly recommend it. The automatic and manual debate really needs to end because it doesn't make any sense. Like, yes, I'll be honest with you guys. The Veloster N was more fun when it was a manual, sure. This car doesn't have a dual clutch, but it's also not a CVT, so you're not looking at a terrible transmission here. But is the manual more fun? Yeah, I mean, it's going to be more fun in ways. But as a daily, I can tell you guys right now, I hated it as a daily. In fact, I left my Veloster at home most of the time because I just didn't want to deal with the manual. Like, it's constantly crowded where I live. So much traffic. What's the point? And a lot of the places here, there's way too much construction going on, and it's a hassle. But with that being said as well, like I said, manual is super fun. I really enjoyed it when it was my day off and I could just rip it behind, like, back roads. It all comes down to you at the end of the day. I already gave you the answer. Automatic is good. It still feels fast for me anyways. And it's fun. I love it. So hopefully that answers your question. If you guys have any more questions, please let me know, guys. I would love to answer it for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk more about this car later on. This is about to hit 200 kilometers. I didn't want to do an update until 500, but last video I did mention the wheels. So if you guys want to stay tuned, I will talk about that and other things that I've noticed popping up here and there. So I'll let you guys know about that next video, and I'll show you guys how to set up one of these bad boys. I'll show you guys how to turn off the beeping in the car when you don't have your seatbelt on. I think the 2023 doesn't have it though. I could be wrong. I personally have not experienced it yet, which is weird, because when I come out of my garage, I don't wear the seatbelt, right? Because I have to close the garage after. So I haven't heard it yet. I don't know. Maybe they got rid of it. But yeah, I'll show you guys that. And then later down the road, when I get an exhaust, I'll show you guys how to remove the fake sound, which I have yet to hear. I did not hear it yet, which is so weird. I haven't gone fast, and I have been only in normal, so maybe that's why. But I haven't heard the fake engine noise. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and peace out. See you guys in my next video.